Hi all, Chris here with my AWA P2. So my parents were travelling down south for a triathlon, so they were able to pick this up from my dad. So I now have it back here in my room with all my other sets. So I've commenced work on it. Problem at the moment is there's EHT, but there's no raster on the tube. So I'll switch it on. Like any good tube set, it takes a while to warm up, but now I can probably hear on the camera the EHTs come up. I've got my EHT probe here, so there's no raster on the tube. Sounds like I need to clean the speaker pot, the volume pot I mean. So if I stick that up, there's nothing. It's not drawing any arcs or anything. Here's where it comes out. We've got the EHT cage, flyback, and a 1B3 GT rectifier tube. So if I here, you can see that it is the flyback is producing EHT. It's making it to this tube, but it's not making it past it to the CRT. So I'm going to try and find a replacement. If that doesn't work, there are two carbon resistors up top here which I'll replace. I'll also follow this back for an investigator in the EHT section, see what else may be going wrong, but hopefully it's as straightforward as replacing the single tube. So anyways, there it is, so cheers.